I'm standing on the bridge where a fascinating film was shot in the summer of 1896. The filmmaker was Robert Pauls, one of the pioneers of cinema, and London was his native city. It was one of the most fascinating metropolises in the world, of course, in the 1890s. A few years later, he would publish a pamphlet called What to Photograph in London. And by that time, he really knew what to photograph in London. He was making so many films in the streets and on the bridges of London. Why here, you might wonder? Well, over there is a building which was Robert Pauls' old school, the City of London School. He was one of the first pupils there. I'm going to be talking in this lecture about how Robert Pauls showed London to the world in the films he made in his early years. London was a city that became familiar to audiences all over the world because of his film. And he knew that London was a subject that fascinated people right around the world. So perhaps rather surprisingly, London appeared on screens everywhere long before Paris, New York, or any other city that we associate with cinema. Not a story we're used to hearing.